Closing market comments for Wednesday, December the 30th. Just a reminder, we will be closing at noon tomorrow at all locations. If you need to take care of any grain items or pay any bills, make sure you're into the offices by noon. Closing markets were stronger again today. We continue to see this market rally. Really not a lot that's putting a stop to it right now. We opened a little lower last night, traded a little lower through the early session, and then as the day progressed today, buyers of funds continue to want to buy any dips, and this market drove higher and set new highs in corn, wheat, and soybeans today. So we continue to see these highs go up, and the funds continue to buy, and cash grain movement continues to get lighter as farmers are starting to run out of grain to sell, is what it really comes down to a little bit. The strike ended in Argentina, so that is over. But Argentina this afternoon, before the close, announced that they were going to stop any additional export sales of old crop corn. So it would be at least March or April till any new corn is available. So no new corn sales. They've got 160 vessels sitting there to load right now from the strike. So they've got a ways to go to get caught up on their workload. Soybeans, not a lot of fresh news there. No new export sales again today, but the market continues to show demand, and as long as that demand is there, it's going to push this thing higher. Funds continue to be large buyers. It'll be interesting to see what the position is on Monday when it's released because of the holiday Friday. Weekly ethanol and oil stocks was released. Crude oil stocks at 493.5 million. That's down 6 million from the previous week, but 63.6 million above last year. Gasoline at 236.6 million, down 1.2 million, down 5.9 million from last year. Distillate stocks 152 million, that's up 3.1 from last week and 18.3 million above last year. Ethanol production dropped 934,000 barrels. That's 42,000 below the previous week and 132,000 below last year. But unfortunately, even with the drop in production, stocks went up again this week, 23.504 million barrels of ethanol, up 335,000 from the previous week and 2.470 million above last year. Grain prices are the highest we have seen since June of 2014. And again, the market continues to push higher on strong fund buying, so we'll have to see when that's going to back off. Otherwise, the dollar was weaker again today, down 300 plus points. Gold and silver were both higher. Crude oil closed up 28 cents on the day, and the stock markets were higher as well. So we'll see what brings tomorrow. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.